One color is about to disappear. Can you catch which one? Watch this! Did you see it? More colors, faster switch. Getting trickier, watch closely. Two objects, one color changes. Watch the magic! It changed to purple! Blink and you lose! Let's make green disappear. Whoa, it came back, and now a different one vanishes. Magic!
You did it! Great eyes! Watch again and see how many you can catch. Blink and you lose.
Look closely. 3 shapes. One will change. Can you catch it?
Round 1.
Look closely. 3 shapes. Watch. One will change. Can you catch it? Wow, it changed!
Did you catch it? Which one changed?
Round 2 is about to get faster! Eek!
Look again. Which shape was it? Take your time.
It was the circle! The circle turned green! Yay!
You found it! Great looking! You're so smart!
Great job. Round 3.
Oh no, but wait! It happened again! Did you see which one?
Final round.
2 things changed this time. Can you find them both? Look carefully.
I dare you. Ready? Go! Oh no, but wait! It happened again! Did you see which one? Watch again. It happens fast. Look closely.
Find the shape before the timer runs out. But hurry! Therefore, you must look back. Is it a square? But it rolls. Therefore, it must be a... Great job! Kindergarten hero! It's not round, but it has 4 equal sides. Therefore, it is a... Square! Next up. Therefore, it is a... Triangle! You're amazing at shape hunt for kindergarten. It's not smooth, but it has pointy tips. Therefore, it is a... Star! Level up sound. You're on fire! Last one. It's not a square, but it has 4 sides, 2 long and 2 short. It looks like a tall door or a fast highway sign. Which shape is missing? You must find it fast. Rectangle.